Hello children, welcome to your math class. Now we are doing chapter 5, that is subtraction, and the topic for today is story problems of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. In last class we learned how to solve story problems of 2-digit numbers, okay, with regrouping. Now today we are going to learn story problems of 3-digit numbers. Okay, so the method is same as you have followed all the 3 steps for solving 2-digit story problems of 2 digits. Same way we are supposed to follow for 3-digit. The method and steps are same. Okay, so now here ma'am has taken one example. It is, there are 487 boxes kept on a farm. So you can see in the picture, farm, everybody knows what is a farm. Okay, so there are 487 boxes which are kept in the farm. You can see in the picture. Next, out of them 342 boxes were packed with potatoes. Okay, so out of 487 boxes, 342 boxes were packed with potatoes. Okay, now what you have to find out, so how many boxes were left empty? Okay, so all the boxes were not packed with potatoes, so that's why now you have to find out that how many boxes were left empty. Empty means nothing was there, potatoes were not there in those boxes. Okay, now first step, first we will write statements according to the information which is already given in the question. So first is, first we will write the statements of those values which are already given, and then we will write the statement of for what you have to find out. Okay, so first what is given in the question, the total number of boxes on the farm. So it is number of boxes is equal to 487. Next is number of boxes filled with potatoes. Now out of these total boxes, 342 were filled with potatoes. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the number of boxes left empty. So again, for finding out that, we have to subtract. So 487, that is total, minus 342, number of boxes filled with potatoes. Now here ma'am is written in vertical form. It is written in vertical form with place values. So 487 is the bigger number, the first rule of subtraction. So it is written on the top. And then we'll start subtraction from our ones place. Okay, so the numbers at ones place are 7 and 2. The number on the top is bigger than the number under it. That is 7 is bigger than 2. So simply we will subtract. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, you can draw lines, we can draw lines, or you can use your fingers, or if you are able to do it orally, very good. Okay, now we'll subtract the digits given at tens place. Digits are 8 and 4, so 8 minus 4 is 4. And the digits at hundreds place are 4 and 3, so 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 147. So now second step we have solved. We have done subtraction. Now third step, you have to write the final answer, final statement. It is, there are 145 empty boxes. Okay, so we were finding out this only, that how many boxes were left empty. So how many boxes were left empty? There are 145 empty boxes. Okay. So this way children, again you must have seen that we have followed the same 3 steps. First, according to the information given in the question, you have to write the statements. Second, you have to do subtraction and solve for finding out the answer. And third, you have to write the final statement. Okay, so if you are following all these steps very nicely in order, then you will not make any mistake and you will be able to solve your story problems, whether it is 2 digit or 3 digit.